Hey everyone, welcome back. If your SHEIN promo code isn't working, start by checking if the code is still valid and not expired. Then, make sure that the items that are in your cart meet up to the minimum purchase requirements for that promo code. Some codes only work for specific categories, new users, or selected items, so double check the terms. Remove any other discount since most promo codes cannot be combined. If the codes still do not apply, refresh the app, log out and log back in, then try again. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.